Come here. Come, bro. We are celebrating Rwandese music tonight. Come here, bro. It's okay. Come. Davis. I know you've sung. A round of applause for him once again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Give him a mic. I know you've done many songs, but now I want you to pick that one line which you know we are going to. It's going to fall into the concept of. Hey. Negro. Let's go. Tandika.
Baby girl, you wanna be a star. Joroshe ngo kunyunguta wombo. Dabisko wambwiye. Yo kumugabo ngana nkanje natamarira. Yeah. Ngao fata mi.
Whoa. Hey. Me. Let me. Rwandese music. More noise for Rwandese music.